Good day, class. In week 3 in the risk exercise, we're learning about interest rates and the components that make up the interest rates. I have here your template for the risk exercise assignment, the learning activity. And you can see here that you have security 1 that has 3%, and then you have the various components or the various risks here. Now, the interest rate or interest rates are made up of the risk-free rate, which we have here is the 3%, and the risk premium. The risk premium are the various risk rates that are the components of the total interest rate. So as you see here, these rates, the 1% all the way down to 1.25 here on the bottom, are all components of the risk premium. So I'm going to calculate the first one for you, and then by watching that, you should be able to duplicate that for the remaining securities or remaining interest rates. Okay, so as you recall, the risk premium is going to be the various interest rates. So to put in the formula, you always start with an equals, and we put that cell equal there, and then we're going to add sum. We're going to add the various risks rates. Okay, so 4% is your risk premium. Now, the nominal rate of interest is the annual return less the inflation rate. But before we calculate that, we need to calculate the expected return, and the expected return is going to be the risk-free interest rate plus the risk premium. So we have our cursor in the expected annual return cell. We're going to input the formula by first putting equal. We have the sum up the risk premium, or in fact what we could do, since we already know what the risk premium is going to be the risk-free rate plus the risk premium. Okay, so it's 7%. So now that we know what our expected return is, now we can figure out the nominal rate, which is the expected return less the inflation rate. So you're going to have equals 7% less the inflation rate, which is 0.50% or 0.5, and there you go. Your risk premium is 4%, which is all the various risk rates. Your nominal rate is your expected return less your inflation rate, and your expected return is your risk-free rate plus your various risk rates. So there you have it. That is how you calculate that, and that explains the components of interest and interest rates and all the elements that are contained and make up the interest rates that we pay every day on loans and things of that nature. So I hope this has been very helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. Bye-bye.